Thank you. And tonight's Avera Medical Minute. Life is all about making decisions, and most of us are taught early on to try to make the best ones we can, you know, being well educated.
Well, one decision that might be tough for some people is choosing the right health care plan. And Shellie Boskey with Avera Health Plans is here to talk a little bit about that, make it easier for us. And I guess the first question, what are a few terms that people kind of need to know if they're looking to buy some health insurance?
You're right. Education is very important, and I feel that because we're in the situation where we're looking at healthcare reform, it has to do with education. It's not a course we take in school. The first thing you really want to know is what your out-of-pocket maximum is, and that's the amount that you are at risk for if you have any type of injury or illness. If you have some sort of hospitalization, you're going to accumulate quite a bill when you come home from the hospital. If you know your out-of-pocket maximum is $1,500, then you know you can look at your explanation of benefits from your insurance carrier and compare them to your bill from your hospital or your physician and make sure they line up. Of course, you want to know what your deductible is, and that's the amount of money that you pay first before your health carrier kicks in to pay the rest. After that, there's a shared cost. It's called co-insurance, and that means you pay for part of it and the insurance carrier pays for part of it. Most often people hear of it as 80-20. The insurance company pays for 80%, the member pays for 20% until you reach that out-of-pocket maximum. And then, of course, we have the co-pays that you go into the doctor's office and you pay a specific amount for those services rendered in the doctor's office.
So all these things you got to try to keep in mind as you go out there and you scour the scenery as to what insurance plan you should pick for yourself. Important information. Glad to have you with us tonight. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much.
Of course, if you require any more information, call 877-AVERA, and the folks there will direct you on.